Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. It's Halloween, a perfect time to give out organic treats to trick-or-treaters instead of chemical candies that make them feel lethargic and bloated. Give them a spooky cupcake made delicious with organic ingredients. Ingredients are 2 cups of monk fruit sweetener, 125 grams unsalted butter, room temp to soften, cut up into small cubes, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, alcohol free, 2 eggs, 100 grams white baker's flour unbleached and 100 grams unbleached self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder aluminium free, and 3/4 of a cup full fat unhomogenized milk, and green food coloring. For the icing, get black food coloring, collagen protein, preferably vanilla or unflavored, cream 200 ml, and monk fruit icing sugar. Step 1. Preheat oven on 150 degrees Celsius on fan bake. You want the cupcakes to cook slow so the centers aren't raw. In your food processor, combine unsalted butter and monk fruit sweetener. When creamy, add the eggs, vanilla, then add unbleached flour, baking powder, sea salt, and the milk, and turn it on low for a minute, then medium to get a drippy, doughy consistency. Turn it off and add the green food coloring. Then give it another mix on slow until the dough turns green. Step 2. I'll make spooky cupcakes with black baking paper cups. Grab a cupcake tray, fill it with paper cups, then with a spoon fill each paper cup 3/4 of the way. They should rise in the oven. Bake for 25 or 30 minutes until they go golden brown, but be certain they're cooked all the way through by poking a wooden stick in the center. It should come out clean. Step 3. Remove from the oven and set on a cooling wire rack while we prepare the icing decoration. Get a clean dough mixer bowl, add 1 tub of cream, half a cup monk fruit sweetener, 1 scoop vanilla collagen protein powder, then coloring of choice. I'll do black, then repeat the process to add different colors. Be wary, this will yield a lot of icing, so be prepared to make a lot of cupcakes. Otherwise, put the leftovers in the fridge to use for different desserts. Step 4. The cupcakes should be cool by now, so start lathering the tops with the icing. Either dunk them in or take your time to spread the icing carefully and evenly. And you're done. And most importantly, you can hand them out to trick-or-treaters instead of chemical candies that are poison to their bodies. Enjoy your Halloween and be seeing you.